Hi, in this video, you will learn how to download and install Norton Money app on your mobile device. To begin with, if you are using an Android device, launch the Google Play Store app or launch the Apple App Store app if you are using an iOS device and search for Norton Money app. Tap Get or tap the download icon. When the installation finishes, tap Open. If you wish Norton Money to send you notifications, tap Allow. Read and accept the License and Services Agreement, acknowledge our global privacy statement, and then tap Sign In. Enter your account username and password and tap Sign In. On the welcome page, tap Sign In again. Set your 4-digit PIN and re-enter the PIN to confirm. You can select all that is applicable for which you will use Norton Money app and then tap Let's Start. That's it. You have downloaded and installed the Norton Money app. You can now explore the app, follow the on-screen instructions to add an account, and set up and use features like spending, credit score, and marketplace. You can access the AI-powered assistant Norton Genie by tapping Ask Genie. Tap your account icon to manage your account and more. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit norton.com/ebsupport.